Welcome back. Well, let's talk about stock-specific moves. ESAF Small Finance Bank, the stock has slipped more than 14% in trade today. Abhishek Kothari is joining us now with the earnings analysis.
Well, in my history of work life, I have not seen such massive deterioration in asset quality of a lender post coming out with an IPO. So over the last 2 quarters, they had given in their RHP Q1 FY24 numbers, and now Q2 and Q3, their gross NPA has actually grown by 3 times and net NPA by more than 2 times. Asset quality continues to deteriorate in a sequential manner. That is Q3 over Q2. Gross NPA is up 79%, quarter-on-quarter net NPA is up more than 107% sequentially. So there is a sharp rise in gross NPA ratio and net NPA ratio. Our calculation shows that the PCR is down on a sequential basis. In terms of key ratios, capital adequacy ratio is at 21% versus 20.6% in the previous quarter. Now, despite the fundraise, there is massive capital consumption in this quarter. Net interest margin has declined to 10.6% versus 11% in the previous quarter. Deposit momentum has remained strong both YOY and quarter-on-quarter. CASA ratio has improved on a sequential basis. AUM growth is healthy at around 36% YOY and about 3.8% sequentially. In terms of P&L momentum, NII is flat on a sequential basis. Provisions have increased more than 36% on a sequential basis, which has kept profits under pressure. Profits have declined 20% on a sequential basis. Back to you.
All right, Abhishek, thanks a lot for taking us through all of those highlights on ESAF Small Finance Bank. That is the analysis of the third quarter performance. Like we said, down almost 15% on that one. So it's a very sharp cut. But let's talk about one stock